Hello, my name is Mike Driscoll, and I want to welcome you to the Python Built-in Function series, where today I will talk about the all function. So, the first thing we need to know is what does all do? According to the documentation, it will return true if all the elements of an iterable are true, or if the iterable is empty. You can check out the docs here if you need to. So, let's take a look at this. The all function is equivalent to the following function: def all, you pass in an iterable. For element in iterable, if the element is not there, return false. At the end, return true. So, you could code up the built-in all function yourself by writing code something like this. Anyway, let's take a look at some example usages of the all function. So here we have all with a list of true and false, or booleans. If the list has any false items in it, all will return true or false. If it is only true items, it will return true. Let's take a look at using all with other data types. So if the data types in a list or tuple are all positive, it's going to return true. If any of the items are 0, it will return false. Same as kind of true with a string. If you have a string with one or more characters in it, it will return true. If you have an empty string in your iterable, it will return false. This also works with dictionaries and tuples. If you passed in an empty dictionary, it would be upset about that. If you passed in an empty tuple, that wouldn't work either, or an empty set. You'd always get a false back. What do you use this for? Well, sometimes you want to check and see if all the data in your list is true. Or if there is any false, you might want to cancel out. I haven't had to do this a lot, but you might see it if you're working with a series of checkboxes in a UI and you want to know if one or more are checked, or if they're all unchecked, for example. Anyway, I hope this has helped you, and I'll see you next time.